Hey guys, how you doing? This is Anthony with Plantation Boat Mart, and today we're on board this 2024 36 Invincible. Here in the transom, we're powered by triple 400 Mercury Verados, steered by Optimus steering. If you're serious about fishing, this is the boat. This has a massive live well at the rear and one on the floor. Controlling this, you have a sea chest with 3 pumps. That allows you to control the amount of flow you want of water. Also, this has overflows over the top that allow the water to go out of the boat versus coming into the boat. So let's talk about storage on this boat. We have aft storage, port and starboard, forward storage, port and starboard, and we have center. For seating, we have a back-to-back. On the actual chair itself, we have storage or a cooler. On the backrest, we have a flip down that allows you to get to your tackle storage. Here on the front of the mezzanine, what we have is this long bench. This bench flips forward, allowing for dry storage. On top of the bench, you have 5 rod holders and 4 cup holders. So on the side of the mezzanine, starboard and port, you also have tackle storage on the side. This vessel is ready for you to put any of your customized electronic needs. Moving to the front of the console, we are greeted with this comfortable lounge chair. One great feature about this coffin box is its dividers. The forward divider allows you to keep items separated from the ice, allowing them to stay cold and dry. Here at the center of the bow, we have your forward fish box. Another feature on this boat is the hidden windlass. Also, on the bottom, it allows you to have access to your line. So inside this console, you have a small sink, electronic head. Also, under the coffin box, you have plenty of storage underneath and also behind the sink to store all your items and keep them away from the elements. On this 36, we have a port side door to allow you to get in and out of the sandbar with a ladder or bring in any fish. Side door also comes with a removable ladder. Thank you guys for coming on board today. Have any more questions about this 2024 Invincible 36? Please contact us or visit us online at plantationboat.com.